Hey everybody, this is Craig coming at you from beautiful Hollywood Cemetery here in downtown Richmond, Virginia. It's a beautiful spring day in early March, and I'm standing here by the Confederate Women's Memorial here in the park, or in the cemetery, and you can see what a monument it is. It's all put together without mortar. It's a really cool monument. One of my favorite places to visit in Richmond is this cemetery, and I've been down here a few times and made videos. Unfortunately, my audio hasn't worked very well, so I'm hoping I can remedy that here in the next time I try it with some new equipment. So anyway, it's been a few months since I made a video for you, and I thought today would be a good day to make another one. And I recently did one on my motorcycle accessories, but since then I've added 3 more that are worth mentioning, and I just had them installed at my Honda dealer when I had my fluids changed this past week. So let's dive in and take a look at them, huh? First, we have my brand new wind deflectors that go in front of the hand grips, and that keeps the cold air and the bugs and rocks off my hands while I'm riding. Very handy accessory to have, and you can see it doesn't interfere with the operation of the levers. Very useful accessory. For some reason the bolt right here is sticking out much higher than the one on this side, because they used a spacer for some reason on this one, and I'm not going to question their judgment. It's just an aesthetic thing that kind of bugs me. But anyway, these mirror extenders give me about an extra inch of outside view, so I'm not constantly having to stare at the edge of my shoulder while I'm riding. It's a $10 accessory that you can get on Amazon, and just a really helpful accessory that doesn't cost you much at all. I highly recommend them. Thanks, Rick, for recommending them to me. And the third new thing, which you can't even see unless you're looking for it, is my new belly pan. And we'll have to get down the ground to look at that. You can see it underneath here. It extends all the way up in the front. It's louvered to keep the engine cool all along the side, but it's just a thin layer of sheet metal that helps protect the underside of the engine from rocks and debris that are otherwise going to bang into your oil pan and your oil filter and leave you in a very bad spot in the event of an impact. So another very inexpensive but very valuable accessory, and I am glad to have that on. You can't even tell it's there unless you're looking for it. So those are my 3 new motorcycle accessories, and I am very glad to have them on. The only accessory that remains for me to put on this bike that I'm dead set on getting is a pair of fog lamps, and they go right inside where this little cowl is right here on both sides, and they integrate with your turn signals, and I think they're a big safety feature. So I will be getting those in the next year or two, and that will finally complete the accessory package on this motorcycle. Basically, it's got everything else that I want. So anyway, I just wanted to say hi and let you know I'm still alive. I wanted to thank all my subscribers for subscribing. We're up to 240 at this point. A year ago, I think I had about 50. I don't know who all the new subscribers are and why they're subscribing. Frankly, I think most of these people are subscribing because of my Tomb of the Unknown Soldier video, which has very little to do with what I'm doing today. But whatever reason you're subscribing, thank you. And to all my loyal early subscribers, big thanks especially to you guys. Anyway, I hope to be doing some more filming soon. I just got a new motorcycle helmet. It's the Shoei Neotech, and I'm waiting for a GoPro mount to come in that will go right on this little lip right here. But apparently they had to do a little bit of redesign on it that requires a modification to the 3M adhesive, which has to be redesigned at the 3M factory. So we're waiting on that to show up, and then I can hopefully start vlogging from the helmet. All right, well, this is probably going to be the last of the beautiful days before we get some cold weather again. So I'll check in with you after the weather clears, and until then, have a good spring. Talk to you.